Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making air fryer stuffed chicken breast. To begin, in a frying pan over medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add in 4 baby bella mushrooms sliced, followed by half a medium-sized onion diced, half a green bell pepper diced, half a red bell pepper diced as well. Season with a pinch of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, get them off the heat and set them aside. For this recipe, we are using 4 skinless and boneless chicken breasts. With a sharp knife, go ahead and butterfly them open, just like so. Once they have been butterflied open, transfer them into a mixing bowl. Then add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by 4 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. We are using 4 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon per chicken breast. Go ahead and toss the chicken in the seasoning. Toast the chicken until evenly coated. Even though we are using Cajun seasoning for this recipe, you don't have to. You may use any kind of seasoning that you prefer. Now open up the chicken breast and place a couple of tablespoons onto the chicken. Then top it off with some shredded pepper jack cheese. Go ahead and close the chicken breast just like so. And to ensure that the chicken breasts do not open up, we're going to go around with toothpicks and shut them close. Repeat the same process with the rest of the chicken breast. Now set your air fryer to 360 degrees and preheat for 3 minutes. After your air fryer has been preheated, pull the basket out. Place 2 chicken breasts in the preheated basket. Then place 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter on each. Now air fry at 360 degrees for 18 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Repeat the same process with the rest of the chicken breast by placing them in the basket, placing the butter on top, and air fry at 360 for 18 minutes, or the internal temperature has reached 165 degrees. Let them rest for about 5 minutes. Oh, and one more thing. Do not eat the toothpicks. Please remove the toothpicks before serving. You may garnish with fresh Italian parsley if you like. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, air fryer stuffed chicken breast. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!